Weight loss surgery helps people who are obese to lose weight. It may be an option if you cannot lose weight through diet and exercise or have serious health problems caused by obesity.
Persons who need bariatric surgery are those who are suffering from chronic non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or they may have significant amount of weight on that limits their mobility, leading to joint pains. They may have bad reflux, or they may have difficulty sleeping at night, having sleep apnea.
However, consultant bariatric surgeon Dr. Alfred Dawes says like all other surgical procedures, there are risks involved.
You can get any number of infections, not directly or indirectly related to the surgery. And persons, depending on the type of procedure done, some persons may end up with malabsorption and dietary some vitamin deficiencies.
But Dr. Dawes says the surgeries are becoming more safe. He says there has been an increase in the number of people who are now doing the procedure. In addition, the number of trained doctors to do this procedure has also increased from 1 to now 5. However, there is a concern. Dr. Dawes says there is a misconception among Jamaicans. He says many persons come in hoping to do the procedure, thinking they won't gain weight again. But he wants to remind them that the procedure is not so much of the surgery, but more about having a bariatric lifestyle.
This bariatric lifestyle still involves being conscious of what you eat, the portions when you eat, the timing when you eat, and ensuring that you get adequate fluids in with your smaller stomach. So it's a lifestyle change, but but the surgery is really a tool. So it's not a quick fix, and it's not cosmetic surgery. And some persons are disappointed when they're turned away, having come in hoping to lose some weight and not being prepared to make that lifestyle adjustment.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health.